With your head up in the clouds, you try to win the race. You're the leader of the pack, always. The candle keeps burning from both ends until it's blowing out with a bang. When you think you know the game, you don't know anything at all. You cross the red line once again. Free fall. Hope you've learned your lesson well.